Welcome everyone to the tutorial video on folding money into a flower shape. In this video, we will need $8 bills and will follow the folding steps provided in detail. Step 1. Fold the left edge of the bill down. Step 2. Fold the top part to the folded line. Step 3. Next, fold the excess part up to create the basic shape of the flower. Step 4. Open the right part and tuck the excess inside. Ensure that the tucked-in portion is folded tightly to maintain the flower's structure and stability. Step 5. Fold the two bottom corners up to the top and unfold to create petals. Step 6. Continue folding the bottom up and unfold to create full petals. Step 7. Fold this part using a crease to create detail for the petals. Step 8. Repeat the process on the opposite side of the bill. Step 9. Flip the flower over and fold the bottom part up to the middle line. Step 10. Fold this edge to that edge to complete the flower shape. Step 11. Repeat the process on the opposite side of the flower. Step 12. Unfold and flatten this corner to finalize the flower shape. Turn over and fold the upper corners to the central line. Step 13. Continue folding the remaining bills in a similar manner. Step 14. Attach them together to complete the flower. And there you have it, the final result, a beautiful flower made from dollar bills. Thank you for watching. Give it a try and create a unique flower for your friends and loved ones.